Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a while since I made a video. It's been like a few weeks, and the time's like flying by. It's already like the last day of February already. It's crazy. But yeah, I decided to make a video for you guys. But this time, yeah, I realized that like in most of my videos, maybe all of them, like I've rambled too much. Like I just talk too much. Like unnecessarily talking. I'm gonna try to talk less and just more sneezes, less talk. So if you have a problem with that, if you like to hear my voice or whatever, just let me know. But yeah, I'd like to sneeze more and talk less. So here I go. Mm. Well, I don't know what that was. It was like yeah, it was a sneeze, but like, I felt like it didn't fully come out. I hate when that happens. I should have left. I should have left the Q-tip in like another second longer. All right. Um, I forgot tissues. I don't need tissues. Who needs tissues? Yeah. This snot and spray. You know. Oh, that reminds me. Yeah, this is the last time I'll talk. Yeah, I got a few requests actually to do like a spray video. Um, like I guess like near a window or like a lamp or something, and just like have the light near me and like show the spray. But today's actually like where I live here. Today's actually like a gloomy, like dark day. It's like been a little rainy and stuff, so that would not there's just not that much light, and like I only have like one, like there's not really much light I could really think of right now. So, but when that happens, when it's like a sunny day, I mean obviously I'll probably do like a spray vid, because I know those are popular. Those you guys like. uh, Whoa. Did you see that? Ugh. I don't know if you could see that. It's all like snotty all over myself. That reminds me, I'll get some tissues. Actually, I will be right back. Got them. Sorry that was so unprofessional, but I'm not professional anyway. I'm just like a normal, average YouTuber who likes to sneeze and pleasure you guys. Alright, 4:30, 4:40. Okay. Alright. Okay. left nostril is so ticklish today. Like after that few seconds, it just made my eye really tear. You probably can't tell, but it's like I'm like, yeah, there's like a tear like about to drop down my face right now. Maybe you could see it, yeah. Wow. Sorry, I'm not crying, I am tearing. Because of this cute sip. Oh my god. Whoa. You could see it right on the blood. Yeah, it's like, whoa. Oh my god. I kind of love when that happens, like, when you know that sneeze is coming, and you just, like, look up at the light, and it makes you sneeze again. It's, like, the best feeling, you know, like, light is by your side, like, light is, like, one of the ultimate, like, sneeze, like, causers, or whatever you want to call it. Well, 8 minutes already. Wow. Remember, less talk, more sneeze. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Feel Oh my god. Wow. I felt it coming, like, wow. I'm gonna start, like, sneezing out of my nose more often, like those nasally ones, because honestly, like, I don't know if you guys have experience making yourself sneeze, but, wow, it's like a huge difference to me. Like, when I sneeze out of my mouth, it's just, like, a few times, or maybe once, and, like, it's just that, you know, but when I sneeze out of my nose, it tickles it so much. It makes me want to sneeze again, you know. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna try sneeze out of my nose. It actually feels really good that way. Like, I kind of like it better. Just let me know what you think too. If you like the oral sneezes or nasal sneezes, I guess you would call them. I don't know. But yeah, I think I'm coming up on 15 minutes. That's like the limit. I uploaded a video last time that was 15, like over 15, and it just won't let me upload it. So I got to stop in like a minute and a half or so. Sorry, guys. Let me try my left side again. Very sensitive to the left side. Mm. Oh my god. Nothing after it though this time. Damn. And I got another like minute left or so, I'll try to make this good. I really can't really get anything, and I have like 10 seconds anyway. Alright guys, let me know in the comments what you think, and I gotta go in 5 seconds, or else it'll cut me off. Alright, bye.